Let's go ahead and get started here. We'll start off by running the SQL script to set up the database tables for security. And we already have the files available in this directory called SQL scripts. Now let's go ahead and swing over to MySQL Workbench and we'll open up this SQL script. And now before we get started, I like to manually drop some of our previous tables. So we have our old tables for authorities and users. Let's go ahead and drop those now because we're going to make use of custom tables. We could actually keep them around, but I simply want to remove them just so there's no confusion as far as which tables we're using. I'll go ahead and select the authorities table and I'll drop that table. Select the option here, drop now. And then we simply repeat the process for the users table. And we'll keep employee because that has our normal employee information. We'll keep that, that's fine. And now let's go ahead and go to the file menu and open SQL script. And I'll move down to my project directory. So in this video, we have everything in dev Spring Boot, 05 Spring Boot REST Security. And then we'll move into this 00 Spring Boot REST Security folder. And then we'll move into SQL scripts. And then we'll select the file here, 06 Setup Spring Security, custom table names.sql. Alrighty, so we have this file open. Now the first thing that we'll do is we'll set up the drop table for any previous tables for roles and members. And then we'll move down here and we'll create this table members. This is where we actually store our users, but it's a custom table, has a custom table name and columns. And then we'll move down here and we'll insert data into the members table. So we'll insert data for our 3 members or users, John, Mary, Susan. The default password is fun123. We'll go ahead and create the roles here. Again, custom table name and custom columns. And then finally here we do the insert on those roles for John, Mary, and Susan. Now let's go ahead and hit the gold lightning bolt to execute this SQL script. And then over on the left-hand side, let's go ahead and do a refresh. And we have these 2 new tables here, members and roles. Go ahead and do a quick query here on members. So we have our 3 members or our 3 users, John, Mary, Susan. And again, this is a custom table with custom column names. And then for roles, we do a query also. And then we have the roles here for John, Mary, and Susan. Alrighty, so this looks pretty good. So we have our custom tables in place. Let's go ahead and configure Spring Security to leverage those tables.